guys! So recently we got a few new furnitures for our house. If you guys haven't watched our house tour video that I uploaded like a few months ago when we first moved back to America, I will link that video down below. So today I just wanted to do an update and show you guys a few new stuff that we got. We actually made a medium room for the kids. So I was so excited to show you guys how that's turning out so far. We're not completely done, but yes, I'll show you what we have so far. This room is still same. It's Aiden's studio and then still our office here. This is my angel school. Hi. Okay, so here is our media room. This is what we have so far. This is what we brought from Korea. And then the sofa, our friend actually gave it to us because his sister was trying to give it away because it was like her temporary sofa until her new one arrived. So we were so lucky to get this. And then Aiden like decorated the walls with
Did you know that this is a Spider-Man
marble.
Street and this is Avengers
Oh,
Street?
when did you buy that? Wow. Bought this lamp from IKEA. It was like 40 something.
Yeah.
And I love it. Okay, so on this side, we're still working on it. We'll do an updated video after we're done, but we're gonna get a TV bench here, and then Aiden wants to like install LED lights at the top. Oh yeah, and we'll be adding lights in these cabinets. We got this from IKEA. I think it's usually really hard to find. It's always out of stock. But then Aiden found it finally. My karaoke system is there. So Sanu actually did a lot of these by himself. So he did all this by himself. And this. This is huge.
I kind of helped that one.
The red one? Aiden kind of helped him with that one.
Then I just finished this today morning. Son wanted me to do it for him.
The whole thing?
No, he did almost half and I just finished the leg.
And then this is the Star Wars collection. Wow.
Okay. Dijamon.
Statue of Liberty, Minecraft. These car Legos. Wow. What are these robots? Ninja?
Oh.
아이언맨.
아이언맨이잖아.
Oh.
닌자야?
This is Iron Man?
Yeah.
I guess one bad thing about this sofa is whenever you lay on it, you fall asleep.
TV 큰 거 있어야 되는데 우리 이거 TV.
Aiden wants to upgrade the TV. I think we might put the one that we have downstairs up here and then get a bigger TV for downstairs. 너무 무서운 거 아니야? Their artwork canvas. A few games. We have a lot of games downstairs actually, like Monopoly Deal and Clue and Sequence. But these are some of the ones that the kids love to play. Guess Who and Uno. One of my viewers got us this really cool like universal light, ball disco light thing, and oh my gosh, it's so cool. Like if I turn off all the lights, I feel like I'm like out in outer space. So thank you so much, Kimmy, if you're watching this video. See, wow, the room turns to like a really pretty place with the moon and stars. Wow. Downstairs, we did get a new sofa. We bought it from Rooms to Go. Our carpet is still on the way. I think it's arriving in 2 weeks. We got this really fluffy rug. And then we also ordered a big wall floor mirror. So that's coming in like 2 weeks also. So once I install the LED lights for the media room, I'll do another like update for you guys. Okay, so here is our new sofa. So big, I love it. It fits so many people because the one we had before, only like 2 people were able to sit on it, but this one's huge. And I think this one's really popular because a lot of my friends and people I know are like, oh, I have the same one. I love how there's ottoman here. It comes with all the cushions. The restroom, the only thing we added was this. I got this from Wayfair, I think that's what you call it. And it was on sale for like $70.